Imagine a single food that can heal your gut, strengthen your joints, and even make your skin glow. Sounds too good to be true, right? Today, we're diving into the 10 surprising health benefits of bone broth, a superfood that's been used for centuries but is now making a huge comeback. Stick around till the end because we've got a bonus tip on how to make the perfect bone broth at home. Let's get started. Welcome to Roco Diet, where we explore the science behind the foods that fuel your body and transform your health. Today, we're talking about bone broth, a nutrient-packed liquid that's more than just a trendy health drink. It's a powerhouse of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that can benefit your body in ways you might not expect. Whether you're looking to improve your digestion, boost your immune system, or even lose weight, bone broth might just be the missing piece in your diet. Let's break it down. Key point 1. Rich in nutrients. Let's start with the basics. Bone broth is rich in essential nutrients that your body craves. When you simmer bones for hours, they release minerals like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and potassium, all of which are crucial for maintaining strong bones, muscles, and overall health. But that's not all. Bone broth is also packed with collagen, a protein that breaks down into gelatin and amino acids like glycine, proline, and glutamine. These compounds are the building blocks for healthy skin, hair, nails, and even your gut lining. So, every sip of bone broth is like a multivitamin for your body. Key point 2. Supports joint health. Next up, bone broth is a game changer for joint health. As we age, our cartilage, the cushion between our joints, starts to wear down, leading to pain and stiffness. But here's where bone broth comes in. The gelatin and collagen in bone broth help maintain and repair cartilage, reducing joint pain and improving mobility. Studies have even shown that bone broth can alleviate symptoms of arthritis, making it a natural remedy for anyone struggling with joint issues. So, if you want to keep moving freely, bone broth is your best friend. Key point 3. Promotes gut health. Now, let's talk about your gut. Did you know that bone broth is a gut-healing superstar? The gelatin in bone broth supports the lining of your digestive tract, helping to repair damage and reduce inflammation. This is especially important for people with conditions like leaky gut syndrome, where the intestinal barrier becomes compromised. By sipping on bone broth regularly, you can improve your digestion, absorb nutrients more effectively, and even reduce bloating and discomfort. A happy gut means a happy you. Key point 4. Boosts immune system. Feeling under the weather? Bone broth might be just what you need to boost your immune system. It's loaded with amino acids like arginine and glutamine, which play a key role in supporting immune function. Plus, the anti-inflammatory properties of bone broth can help your body fight off infections more effectively. Many cultures have used bone broth as a remedy for colds and flu for centuries, and now science is backing it up. So, the next time you're feeling run down, reach for a warm cup of bone broth. Key point 5. Supports skin, hair, and nails. Want glowing skin, shiny hair, and strong nails? Bone broth has got you covered. The collagen in bone broth is a beauty secret that's been hiding in plain sight. Collagen promotes skin elasticity, reduces wrinkles, and strengthens your hair and nails from the inside out. Forget expensive creams and treatments. Bone broth is a natural way to look and feel your best. And the best part? It's delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Key point 6. Aids in detoxification. Your liver works hard to detoxify your body, and bone broth can give it a helping hand. The amino acid glycine, found in bone broth, supports liver function and helps your body eliminate toxins more effectively. This makes bone broth a great addition to any detox plan. Plus, it's gentle on your system, so you can enjoy it every day without worrying about harsh side effects. Cheers to a cleaner, healthier you. Key point 7. Promotes bone health. Strong bones are the foundation of a healthy body, and bone broth is here to help. Packed with minerals like calcium and phosphorus, bone broth provides the nutrients your bones need to stay strong and resilient. This is especially important as we age and our bone density starts to decline. By incorporating bone broth into your diet, you can support your skeletal system and reduce the risk of fractures and osteoporosis. It's like a shield for your bones. Key point 8. Supports weight loss. Looking to shed a few pounds? Bone broth can be a powerful ally in your weight loss journey. It's low in calories but high in protein, which helps you feel full and satisfied. This can reduce cravings and prevent overeating, making it easier to stick to your goals. Plus, the nutrients in bone broth support your metabolism and energy levels, so you can stay active and motivated. It's a win-win. Key point 9. Improves sleep and mood. Struggling with sleep or stress? Bone broth might be the solution. The amino acid glycine has calming effects that can improve sleep quality and reduce stress. By sipping on bone broth before bed, you can relax your mind and body, leading to a more restful night's sleep. And when you sleep better, your mood improves too. It's like a natural sleep aid and mood booster in one. Key point 10. Anti-aging properties. Last but not least, bone broth has anti-aging properties that can help you look and feel younger. The collagen and amino acids in bone broth repair tissues, reduce inflammation, and promote cellular health. This means fewer wrinkles, more energy, and a vibrant, youthful glow. Who wouldn't want that? And there you have it, 10 surprising health benefits of bone broth. From supporting your joints and gut to boosting your immune system and promoting weight loss, bone broth is a true superfood. If you're ready to experience these benefits for yourself, check out the link in the description for our easy bone broth recipe. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Roco Diet for more tips on living your healthiest life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.